action. Your light on your bulb's not working, Bibbles. For your robofish. Nico, I think I might have didn't turn it off. I don't know. I'll have to add more batteries. So the star is coming over here. And your cue is on now. Good boy. Alright, well, happy, what is it? September 11th. Though I know it's not happy. Tink. You actually weren't born on this terrorist day. Or it could have been a plan by the government. I don't know. But you were born like 10 years later. 8 or 9 years later. So, but I guess that was a hard day for Americans. And on this day, September 11th. Bless you. So it was a very hard day. Such a hard day that we feel that's when, let me zoom you, Bibbles. America died and lost, oh, you're such a good actor. Lost faith. The world probably would have been better if it would have just blown up 2001, September 11th. Just because we wouldn't have to bear witness to the decline of society. Meaning what everyone turned out to be. You know, just having that puppet president now and that fucking loser joke before him. It's just, no one knows who they are anymore. And everyone seems to have to prove themselves for no reason. And seems like this government is focusing on issues that were already covered and dealt with and avoiding the real issues at hand. Homelessness. But who gives a fuck about abortion? And why are we give a fuck about it now? You know, my gosh, the last thing this world needs is more fucking people. You know, Tank feels that people should be spayed and neutered as well as pets. You know, but just for population control, leave abortion legal. You know, who cares if people die? You know, if we didn't have enough people die, it'd be so overpopulated because people are living longer. So, we're actually very for, I don't know, death in society. Just so we could breathe a little. So you could breathe. Anyway, Bibbles, you're looking quite dapper. It's about 8:30. It's too bad that Saturday night, of course, 9/11. It's too bad that your stepdad would choose to rather be all drugged out in the living room than to hang out with us. Because we're fun. You know, don't he get that, you know, it's hard for someone like me who's been in involved in sexual abuse since I was 2 years old, that someone like me needs to feel emotionally comfortable with the person I'm with, especially if I'm going to give him head. It's much easier, you know. It'd be much easier to give head to a stranger now than him. Sorry to your stepdad, but that drug just makes him so... It's like heroin, but it's not heroin. But he's just... I don't know. Is it better than him drinking? Sure. At least he's like better than the other exes I've had. Yeah. Well, we'll just give him space, let him rest, because we don't want to be up against his drug. That's why we're in the room right now, celebrating. Anyhow, again, I don't mind being locked in a room. I'm quite used to it. Especially if you're locked in here with me. Because you're the best, Bibbles. Happy 9/11, but it wasn't happy. You know, Tank thinks the world should end, because that's the only way it's going to be saved. Alright, everyone have a great night. Back to our French movie, Bibbles.